All right, we got 2 boxes going here. National Treasures from my man Brunostars. Gave him a hell of a price. Gave him a hell of a price, and you should type in yes I did. Maybe. Maybe. Check Blowout's pricing and then let me see if I did good, huh? Yeah, good luck, Bruno. I really do hope I pull a nice little bat barrel or a 101, just something, you know? Something would be nice. One, two. Bruno, do you want the boxes with this? Do you want the, yeah, the nice boxes with it? I'll ship those too if you want them. You got it. Yeah, I'll ship them to you. No problem. You want the top one last, you said? This was the bottom one, right? The one I got in my hand that you can see is the bottom one, correct? I think that was the bottom one. Okay, so we'll do this one first. The other one's gonna be off to the side, so we'll put that one. We'll put that guy right there. Starting off pretty good. Starting off not too bad right there. All right, here we go. Out of 99. Little Puiggy. Nice. Next up, Bob Feller. Out of 99. That's not bad right there. Nice little patch we got coming up here. James Talion. Out of 25. Out of 25. Next one up. Chris Taylor out of 99. Out of 99. All right. Rookie Colossal Signatures. Nameplate. Come on. Jose Ramirez. Next one up, nice. Numbered 81 out of 99. George Springer. Next up for the Cincinnati Reds, Votto. Out of 99. David Holmberg. By the way, the next card you're going to like. Not a 101, but you'll like it. Notable nicknames. Jose Abreu. Yogi. Hey, boo-boo. And then Adrian Beltre out of 99. Numbered 85 out of 99. Check in with you guys. right, next box. Next box. Whoa. Next box. Nice card on the bottom there. Nice card on the bottom. Okay. There we go. First up, RIP Oscar Taveras out of 99. Salvador Perez, Colossal patch, or Colossal jersey, excuse me, out of 99. Another Colossal, Anthony Rizzo out of 99. Mr. October, number 2 out of 99. Mr. October. Next up, Kyle Parker out of 99. Kyle Parker. That is a bat relic. That's a bat relic. Oh, wow. I know it's not of like, it's a prospect guy, but this is just a hell of a patch here. This is such a nice patch. And it's dirty, too. It's a dirty patch. Filthy. 10 out of 10. Tommy LaStella. Look at that. Look at that. 10 out of 10. That's dirty. Literally. Next up, Kyle Zimmer. Silhouette out of 99. So you thought that was sick? Once again, this is pretty damn good here too. Number 3 out of 5. Cespedes. Number 3 out of 5. Look at that patch. Look at that patch. That's a nice timeline there. Yeah, buddy. And then this is the Pierre de Resistance. Cal Ripken. Iron Man. Iron Man. Look at that. Look at that. Iron Man. And that would be numbered 13. 13 out of 25. Boom. That's a nice box. Those are 2 nice boxes. But that last one, I'm glad you saved it for last, Bruno. Glad you saved it for last. Hey, thank you very much again. Thank you very much, Bruno. That was awesome. Much appreciated. Right, let me stop this recording.